of class 10th student. Today we have the session second to understand applying character formats from unit 2. The student first we introduce with the session applying character formats means to control the appearance of the text and make it presentable. The word allows you to format text with various text effects like colors, underline styles, and font size, font face, highlighter. The are the more by providing tools to make formatting quick and easy. The children, in this lesson, you will learn to perform character formatting. The student, in order to format the text, we select the characters, words, or group of words and use the following option to make the required changes. The first we learn about here as related to given in the book. So let's have the video for doing all things in a practical way. So let's have a practical view. Children, let's here start to the formatting with the uses or with the using of these tools as a given here. As a click on the home tab, we find here related to the formatting. You can see on the screen. If you want to change some style and the font size, font face, so first of all we have to select the text. For the doing any changes, we can has first here click as on a, you can copy, you can select that and you can click on the bold. This way you can make the bold of your text. Same way we can italize, we can use the italic incline of the text, and same way we can underline the text here. So this is here related to bold, italic and underline. You can use also the shortcut key for applying this. Next we can increase, color the text. We can color like selecting the text and skill select as a given here, a as an option. A is a tool here to provide the color. The first as you can, then after before we find here the text highlighter. Text highlighter, it is for giving the highlight to your text as you want to attract the reader toward your some important character or paragraph. You can highlight, so you can click on this drop down and you can select any type of the color for highlighter. So as you can select the color, then you can click on that, or you before that you can select the text and you can choose the color. Automatically that will be appeared as a highlighter. Now next we can find here the font face as it is related to the font pattern or styles. You can say if you, in which font you want write or show your text. So here as a font face drop down, click on this font face drop down and you will get here the various types of the fonts as a pattern, or here the face. So you can select any type of here the font face here for your particular text or paragraph here. You can select any type here the font face for your selected text. So before doing any changes, children, you will select your text, then you will do the changes, then you will apply the changes. So now you can see here, children, as I have changed the formatting, font face here. You want to increase the font size, for that we select here and we can change the font size. Now here the as a font face, as I told you, you can as a select font increasing the font size, select that as here the size also. So for size we can do same as like here the font face here. The first what we will do, first select the font, paragraph or page. You can click on the on any font face here. As same like here the font size also, the first you will select the font, I mean paragraph or particular text, which text you want to increase the font size, and click on here as a font as a drop down. You can increase as a by looking here as a 8, 5, 9, whatever, and you can write randomly also here as a giving the 21 or 50, whatever you want for your font size, as you can increase here. So you can increase the font size here. Now this way, children, you can increase the font size here, and you can use also the grow font here. It is a given the besides of the font here, this is a it is a shows here the grow font. It is called the grow font tool. The grow font tool we can increase as a manually here, manually for as a putting the number, and is with the using of the tool we can use this a here into side. It is a given, you can click on this way you can increase one by one your font size. And just beside that we found the as a for the decreasing the font size. Okay, you can see children here for the decreasing the font size as a multiply as a symbol here shows, you can minimize, I mean you can decrease the font size of your selected paragraph or text. So this is called the shrink font, children. This is called the shrink font. For this we can use that for the decreasing the size of the font here. Now children, next we find the strike through for given us such a option here, I mean beside the bold italic underline option here as a given strike through, which text is not necessary for you want to show the cut, but you don't want to remove from there, you want to cut only as a strike line over on the text. You can use the strike through. This is a such like a styles also, and sometime we use for the giving the effect with your text. So you can use this strike through option for giving a such a type of the pattern. You can see on the screen, children, that this is the strike through here. Then after as children we select it and click on this strike through option, so that shows as a strike through as a on your text. Now we find after that here the superscript and subscript. For the subscript, if you want to make the below of your text like a CO2 you want to, so first you will select the 2 and click on the subscript option is a given here just beside the of your strike through. So it will be the below side of that your as a proper text, the CO2 you can. And now you want to give the as a power, which any number like a base and a power, so you can use the superscript to give the power of any character or number here. So for this we click on the superscript as a this is a given the tool for, so you can see here CO as a power 2. And now after we want to clear the formatting. Suppose we want to reverse the back whatever we in the first position, this is here the clear formatting, so it will clear all your formatting. Okay, the first of all we click on this as a it will clear, select the all the as a text whatever we have done the formatting, and click on this clear formatting. So this will clear all your formatting what you have done. So you will be as a reverse position, you will be in the first position what from where you have done the formatting. Okay, new this will erase all your formatting. Now after that student we find here as a related to the change case. Okay children, change case it is a for the such a given the case like sentences sentence case as a you can find we write the case in a sentence case, so we find as a change case option. This is here given the search as a shrink font given here. We find the sentence case as a this is a given here for the sentence case as a uppercase, lowercase, toggle case, and here the capital each words, and this is a given here also. So these are the such a case which let you to as a upper case in. So children, as you find this case here as a for the changing case, changing lower case as a sentence case, as you use the punctuations, a comma and full stop, and understand the is starting with the capital letter. So this we can do by the capital, I mean sentence case here. So this it let you to change your all text in a using the sentence case. But you want to write all the text in a lower, so that will be in a small letter. First you will select and click on the change case option and click on the lower case here. So this will change your all text, all capital text where you have used the capital, that will make the small. And now next we find as a uppercase, this will make your all character in a capital letter. So you can see here the children, it is changed all the character in the capital letter here. And same we find here for that the here capitalize each word. So on selecting this option from the drop down list, the first character in all the words of the selected sentence will be converted to the capital letters. So as we capitalize each word, we use for as giving the capital, as you can see for every word as a capital here. So this student will make the every words starting with the every character, it will make the as a capital. So you can see here the capitalize each word. And now next we find the toggle case. Toggle case is such a option. So on the selecting this option from the drop down list, the small letters in the selected text will be converted to capital letters, and capital letters will be converted to small letters. So this is using for the toggle case. This is a toggle. You can see the children here every as a capital letter, now it is a small, and every small letter now it is in a capital letter. So this way we can do all these changes in the our document. And here we find the cases, I mean sentence cases. And this option let us to change our case in a different view, which view you want for your document as need. You can change with this using the change case option here given. As children, I told you about the subscript and superscript. The children, you can press for the superscript, control plus equal sign. Control plus equal sign means pressing control plus and with equal sign, so then it will make the superscript. And subscript, we use control plus shift plus equal sign, then it makes the superscript. Subscript for the control plus equal sign, that is a subscript. Okay. And for the superscript, we use control plus shift plus equal sign, so then it makes your superscript effect. So student, as I told you here, relate many things for your formatting in your document. So I think you will read, I mean you will watch this video properly and thoroughly, and you read also your this session, I mean given in the book. So children, thank you for watching this video.